On April 1st, MrBeast posted the $1 versus $500,000 plane ticket video, which got 140 million views in the month. Miss Alshi, the fastest growing channel in the previous month, gained 2.55 million subscribers in the first 13 days of April and was later shut down by YouTube. The channel had 8.25 million subscribers when it was shut down. During the month, MrBeast posted 2 more videos, 2 short videos this time. However, his long video was the most watched of the month. MrBeast came close to breaking the world record for the most subscribers gained in a month, gaining approximately 10 million subscribers, which is just 1 million fewer than the record.